At Pohanka Lexus of Chantilly, our service department is open extended hours, 365 days a year. No appointment necessary. Just bring it in.
It's important to be aware of the different systems in your car. So what is the fuel system? Your car's fuel system works with the rest of the engine control system to deliver the best performance with the lowest emissions. The fuel system transfers fuel from the tank and passes it through a filter for cleaning before it arrives at the injectors. Fuel injectors, when activated, spray a metered amount of fuel into the engine. It's the system that stores and supplies the fuel you use. Maintenance may be needed to the system if you have clogged or worn fuel injectors, get poor fuel economy, can't start your vehicle, or possibly your check engine lights on. Get your car's fuel system checked regularly and make sure to immediately come in if you smell gas or suspect a problem.
At Pohanka Lexus of Chantilly, our service department is open extended hours, 365 days a year. No appointment necessary. Just bring it in. We are conveniently located at 13901 Lee Jackson Memorial Highway in Chantilly.